Hello guys, it is FunWithBomjay, and today we are playing with slimes. Oh, yes, so I have pink slime.
And I have purple.
Ooh, let me feel that slime. That's good
Let me
slime.
see that slime. It's still sticky.
Wait, is something happening to you? Something's definitely happening to you. Oh no, not this again. Bomjay, what do you want?
I want to have something.
What do you want to have? Come, Bomjay, come. She touched the cursed slime, guys. This is not the cursed slime, no.
It's me.
No. Let's head into this room. Oh no, the headphones. Oh no, the headphones. The headphones. Oh no, the headphones. No.
If you don't play with me, it's the only hope. And I need to play with Janie.
I'm not Jania. Yes, I'm not Jania. Do. Bomjay, stay back. Stay back. I'm not letting you in, slimy, monstrous. Good luck. Or should I say, bad luck. No! Wait, what's happening to you? Wait, nothing's happening to you. Nothing's happening to you. Bomjay. What? Can I feel that slime?
Yeah. You're gonna get cursed.
No, only if you touch it once. One touch. Okay, done. I'm not cursed. Wait, what's happening to me? I'm getting cursed. Let's cause trouble together.
Hey.
Put your slime on a knife.
Slime time.
Ha!
Ha! Let's go fight for Bomjay and little Janie. And you're Pinky, yeah?
Hi.
Purple eye, and that's Pinky, yeah.
Let's cut him. Let's ruin her childhood. Let's ruin her. By your slimerific powers. It's better with some slime. It's better with some slime. Put some slime on your knife.
Well, my knife is running out. That's okay. Guess what? I'm gonna ruin one of my favorite things.
what?
There's something in the TV room that she really loves. It's in a white box. And the whales. I'm going to chop their head off. I'm going to chop the head off one of their favorite ones.
Uh-huh.
Here, there they are.
Not this one. This one is actually pretty good. But she doesn't like it, so let's not do it. It won't ruin her at all. My slime. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Here. I got Jamie's and Bobjay's.
Got it back on point. Now I have to kill some other whales. Give me one. Pink one.
I'm going to get
1, 2, 3.
Look.
Chaw.
Look.
R.I.P.
Got her too.
Purple Jay, let's be more aggressive. Does that sound good?
Yes. Where is
Yeah! Who needs slime on their knife? I like to play with it to get more powers.
Yeah.
Yeah! Let's do some of these. Oh, what's happening to me? Poof! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Look, it's all gone. What just happened? I saw you as a slime monster first, and then I became a slime monster because I didn't think the slime would curse me, but then it did, and now we're back to normal, and now all the stuff disappeared, and it's all clean. Well, that's all for today, guys. Bye. Hope you liked Slime Monster Part 2.
Hey.
This is Slime Monster Part 2, okay? Bye.